Good day guys, today we're talking about the leatherman sidekick. So it's a very lightweight multi-tool. The sidekick and the wingman is almost the same. So the wingman have a combination blade, the sidekick have a solid blade on this side, and it locks also. So a nice grip there also. On this side you have your saw blade, also locking. Then you get a pocket clip with this one, and the wingman also. Then if you open it, get your pliers, spring loaded pliers. That is what I love about the sidekick and the wingman, because the wave is not, the pliers is not spring loaded, so it is very handy if your pliers is spring loaded. So if you go this side, you have your serrated blade, small one on this side, very sharp, very handy blade. Then if we close it, the next tool we have is a small flat screwdriver, a ruler in inches and centimeters, you see. And then on the side you have a file. Then the next tool is your wire strippers, and here you have your bottle opener and can opener. This one, the sidekick, is coming with a lanyard loop as well. The wingman doesn't have a lanyard loop, so it's very nice and handy of this sidekick to have a lanyard loop, because then you can't lose it. If we go to the other side, here's your star screwdriver, and the last tool is your big flat screwdriver. Very strong and compact tool, this one. So I like it. And if we take it to the scale here, weigh it, it weighs 200 grams, and that's the sidekick. And here's my leatherman wave plus on the side. Let's compare the weight to it. 250 grams, so it's, the sidekick is 50 grams lighter than the leatherman wave plus. Both these tools is very handy and nice tools, and well fitted out tools, I think. Check out my channel, and there's some modifications I'm doing to my leatherman. Upcoming modifications. I want to make a axle or saw blade change systems, like the on your leatherman search. I want to check if I can make one for the wave plus or the wave. So here's other modifications, and go and check out that also. I'll put the link in the description. So I made a hammer for my leatherman wife also. Go and check it out. Thank you.